Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best facial moisturizer for dry skin that's quickly become a must-have in skincare routines around the world. The Bliss Vitamin C Plus Tri-Peptide Bright Idea Serum. If your skin craves hydration, brightness, and firmness, stick around. This 5-minute deep dive is for you. Let's start with what makes this serum stand out. Bliss calls this a universal skincare serum, and they mean it. It's designed for all skin types, including dry, combination, normal, and oily skin. But what dry skin especially loves about this formula is the hydrating support and barrier-boosting complex that goes beyond surface-level moisture. At the heart of this serum is a potent 15% brightening plus barrier boost complex. That includes clinical-grade vitamin C and a patented tri-peptide blend. Vitamin C is well known in the skincare world for its antioxidant power. It helps illuminate dull skin, fade dark spots, and fight free radicals that accelerate aging. But Bliss takes it further by adding tri-peptides, tiny protein fragments that support and protect collagen production. That means firmer, more elastic skin over time. But there's more happening behind the scenes. This serum also includes green tea extract for extra antioxidants, squalane to mimic skin's natural oils, and sodium hyaluronate, a moisture-binding agent that holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. When you have dry skin, these ingredients can make the difference between tight, flaky skin and a glowing, dewy complexion. It couldn't be simpler. Just massage a small amount onto clean, dry skin, both morning and night. It absorbs fast, leaving no sticky residue, and preps your skin beautifully for your moisturizer or SPF during the day. For best results, pair it with Bliss's Bright Idea Moisturizer, but the serum alone already delivers powerful results. One thing users really love is that this product not only brightens skin tone but also helps with skin texture. It's known to smooth out post-acne scars, minor imperfections, and even signs of sun damage. Over time, skin looks more radiant and youthful, with a noticeable bounce. And of course, like all Bliss products, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. No animal testing, no questionable ingredients, just clean, effective skincare backed by spa-quality science. So, to wrap up, if you're on the hunt for a glow-boosting, anti-aging, deeply hydrating serum that plays well with dry skin and doesn't compromise on ingredients or ethics, the Bliss Vitamin C Plus Tri-Peptide Bright Idea Serum might just be your new favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more smart skincare breakdowns. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this serum or if there's another product you want us to review next. See you in the next one.